tips on how to use indicators. 1. All indicators work. There are dozens of indicators, but you can't use all of them. The best indicator does not exist, but there are definitely indicators which are the best for you. Make sure you know what you want to get from your indicator. You should not have indicators on your chart which you don't use or do not rely on. They will only confuse you. 2. Do not rely on the forecast of one indicator. Always use 2 to 3 indicators. Compare their signals to confirm your decision. Pick out your favorite indicators and oscillators and make sure you understand the signals they give you. 3. Indicators may fail sometimes. You have to accept that there are no indicators which can guarantee you 100% accuracy. An indicator may fail if the market behaves in an abnormal or odd way. It does not mean that you don't know how to read indicator signals. Under normal circumstances, the same indicator may provide you a positive signal, which will result in you having a substantial gain. 4. Always choose indicators which will generate different signals. Using indicators of the same type often leads to repeating the same signals. That can cause a trader to wrongly identify the strength of the signal. The best decision is to have indicators of different types in your trading system. 5. Use different time frames for confirmation. Use indicators on a different time frame chart of your instrument to validate your decision. If the indicator's signal remains the same on different time frames, it may confirm that the signal is accurate. You will not always get that confirmation, but you should still check just in case before taking a trading decision.